Thank you.
Ma'am, you touched upon one thing. One child being resilient and the other being a little timid and weak. Now, I have both of them. I have two boys. My elder one is quite resilient, strong, and boisterous, while the little one is a little timid, always protected. Now, I have been trying to teach him to be as strong and defend himself. I don't know, am I teaching him because the age gap between the two is 5 years of age? And it is difficult for the little one to, physically or verbally defend
I know that.
himself.
I know that. I have two boys and they're 6 years apart, and exactly the same temperament differences there between the
Yeah,
both of them.
yeah.
See, it's been shown that even when you have identical twins, or whom we call as monozygotic twins, where they have the genetic component of both the children is 100%.
Right.
Even
Yeah.
those two children, monozygotic twins, would be temperamentally might be totally different from each other. So it's nothing like
Right.
you are comparing your two children, because they say there is some environment around the child, every child which is
Right.
growing up, right since the child has been conceived inside the mother's womb, which is
Right.
called as
Right.
unshared environment. So
Right.
every child, you have to address their issues separately, and they have all the right to be as unique as they can. What you are doing
Yeah.
is the right thing. It's a right step. We do require them to be independent, autonomous, and
Right.
exercise their willpower. And it does happen with time. But somehow the type of socialization which we have here, बड़ा भैया and दादा
Yeah.
दादी उनके सामने कुछ नहीं, बड़े हैं ऐसे कैसे बोल सकते हो, these kind of things are something which we unconsciously pass it to our kids. So we have to be very careful,
Right.
when the younger one is taking a stand, that much of autonomy and that much of freedom of expression has to be given to the child.
So, unfortunately, what has happened now, he takes it physically with him,
Yeah, yeah.
and I'm
I know
getting a
that.
little,
Don't worry.
yeah.
Don't worry.
So,
I've seen it all. Don't worry about it. And they become, and sometimes you are so
yeah.
scared that they will actually cause physical
Hurt
harm
each
to each
other.
other. Yeah.
Yes.
And when we used to question my younger one, he says, बिना उसके कोई मेरी बात सुनता नहीं.
Correct. Right.
बस, simple
Yeah.
है. But yeah, you're in the right track. It
Thank
will
you so
happen.
very much, ma'am. It really has calmed me down right now.
We have to be
Thank
calm.
you.
And
And
what,
sometimes
yes,
these
what you
youngsters,
rightly,
sure, Saloni, go ahead, please.
what you rightly said, each child has to be looked as a different thing, even if they are a sibling, that doesn't mean, as we
Right.
spoke about the shared and unshared environment,
Right.
so agar siblings hai, to that's a blood relation that they are, but they are different from each other,
Correct.
so they need not be under the same umbrella, or you need not have the same rules for both, or the same specific learnings for both. They will have their own learnings and their own things.
Yeah.
Thank you so very much, both of you. Thank you.